everyone, sorry I've been away so long. I've been having a lot of, well, firstly there's been a lot of work to do, but secondly I've had quite a few issues with my computer, so I haven't been able to do any editing really. I'm going to try and do multiple pours tonight to try and catch up a bit. There's only one day left of 30 days 30 pours, and yeah, I really apologise for the fact that I have not been around much in the last week. So let me go over what paints I've got, and I'm going to use these for several pours. So let's start here. I've got Liquitex Basics Gold. I'm going to put the basics paints together. Liquitex Basics Gold, Liquitex Basics Prism Violet. This is Basics Phthalo Cyanine Green, Basics Quinacridone Magenta, and Basics Dioxazine Purple. These two are from Sostrina Greener. They are Phthalo Blue and Metallic Green. This one is this Copper Limited Edition, or Copper Imitation, sorry, Imitation Copper from De La Rowney. That was really lumpy last time, so I'm going to have to stir that one a lot. This Coral is Coral Blush Americana Gloss Enamels. I think this is discontinued, so I am just putting everything I have in there, and we'll see what happens with that one. Oh, this is Liquitex Basics Cadmium Yellow Light Hue. I'm going to try and mix that up, mix a lot of that up, because Gina DeLuca says it's cell reactive, so I will see if I get some cells with that. This one is, I think it may also be discontinued. Is this Graduate Acrylic by De La Rowney in Metallic Pink. Hey! These two are Deco Art Americana Multi-Surface Satin Paints in Iris and Deep Turquoise. I think these might be discontinued because they were on sale. These are from Malaysia, so I certainly don't have access to them. So let me see. I think I've done them for, oh, the white. The white, this is Earth White Water Paint. This is from maybe from the Daiso. It's from a 100 yen shop, so it's like a really cheap basic acrylic paint, but it's got an acrylic binder in it, and I've used it before and it's fine. It's just slightly off-white, like an ivory colour. Now I've run out of glue, so I am going to have to substitute. Instead of pouring medium, my normal pouring medium, I think I'm going to use polyvinyl alcohol today. I've used this before. This is sometimes called PVLA. It's not the same as white glue. This is sold as a synthetic laundry starch in Japan, but I don't think you can buy it in that way in the West, because it apparently was formulated as a substitute for a kind of rice starch that was used in laundry. Anyway, this is sometimes sold as clear glue. It is sticky and quite thick, but it's not as thick as some glues. Anyway, this bottle is 100 yen, so I'm going to put about 50% of that in. I may put some silicone in today as I go on. Put a little bit less in these ones because they're more watery. And I will add some water, distilled water to those, I think, and normally in my distilled water I have some De La Rowney Flow Enhancer. Normally put a capful of this per 500 millilitres, so I'll probably do that today as well. I need to basically try to stretch this paint as far as possible, because I do have more paint, but I don't have more pouring medium. So I think I've got some more of this PVLA. So I'm just going to mix these up and then I'll come back in a minute. Hey, I'm going to do my balloon kiss now. So I've only got a little white left of my normal mixture, which is a generic white acrylic paint and my PVA glue pouring medium. So I might as well use it on this little canvas here. I think this canvas is about 10 centimetres square. So I've got a couple of days off now, which is really nice because it means I can catch up. The Emperor is changing in Japan this year, so it's Golden Week now, and that means it's we've got an extra long Golden Week. So it's probably the only time I'll have an extra long Golden Week. I don't know if I'll be here to see another dynasty change. Have to wait and see, I guess. Okay, so that was the coral blush. This is Prism Violets. All the paints are in the description. I'm going to put some metallic green in. These paints are mixed with a PVLA, polyvinyl alcohol, instead of my typical pouring medium. So the pouring medium on here is not the same as the pouring medium in here, because this white was pre-mixed when I still had PVA glue, which I don't have anymore. Okay, this is Cad Yellow Light Hue, which hopefully will make some cells. And I'll just drizzle in a little tiny bit of dioxazine purple. Okay, that's more than enough for that. Okay, I've just blown up this balloon. This has got a lot of bubbles in it. Oh, let's see what happens. That's not very well scented, but never mind. So I'll just tilt this a little bit. I'm getting some cells. There's no silicone in this. So, okay. Before the cells get too distorted, I guess they'll get lost anyway. I'm just going to push this down firmly and lift up. It's not bad. I think I'll do one more with a clean bit and roll it across a bit. Oh, maybe I'll leave that. I don't know. I quite like it. Yeah, I'll leave it. It's fine. Okay, so that's my first balloon kiss there. So I put quite a lot of pressure on the balloon, maybe a little bit too much. I'd be interested to see what it does if I do it more lightly. But I'm going to torch now, see if I get any other colours coming up, cells coming up. I'm not going to tilt this anymore. I have over torched as I always do. I'm going to pop this to one side and let it dry. Okay, so that's a nice quick one. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.